The Learned Helplessness Experiment, a key to understanding resilience and mental health. What happens when life teaches you that no matter what you do, you can't change your situation? This question lies at the heart of one of the most profound psychological studies ever conducted, the Learned Helplessness Experiment. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking work of Martin Seligman and his colleagues, which uncovered a surprising and disturbing truth about human behavior and mental health. What they discovered not only reshaped psychology, but also provided critical insights into depression, motivation, and resilience. Stay tuned to learn how this experiment changed our understanding of why we sometimes give up and how we can reclaim control over our lives. The question that sparked the research. In the 1960s, Martin Seligman and his team at the University of Pennsylvania were studying classical conditioning, the type of learning famously demonstrated by Pavlov's dogs. While working on this, they stumbled upon an unexpected question. Why do some animals and even people stop trying to escape unpleasant situations, even when escape is possible? This question led to the development of the Learned Helplessness Experiment, which would go on to explain a wide range of human behaviors. The experiment. What happened? Seligman's experiment involved 3 groups of dogs. Control group. Dogs in this group were placed in a harness, but did not experience any shocks. Keys escape group. Dogs in this group were placed in a harness and subjected to electric shocks. However, they could stop the shocks by pressing a lever. Helpless group. Dogs in this group were also subjected to shocks, but no matter what they did, they couldn't stop the shocks. The situation was designed to be completely out of their control. After this initial phase, all the dogs were placed in a different setup, a box divided into 2 compartments by a low barrier. One side of the box delivered electric shocks, while the other side was shock-free. The dogs could escape the shocks by simply jumping over the barrier. The results: giving up without trying. The results were astonishing. The control and escape groups quickly learned to jump over the barrier to escape the shocks, but the helpless group, they didn't even try. These dogs had learned from their earlier experience that nothing they did would stop the shocks, so they didn't attempt to escape, even though escape was now entirely possible. Why it matters. Implications for humans. The learned helplessness experiment revealed a psychological phenomenon that extends far beyond dogs. It showed that when people or animals experience repeated failures or uncontrollable situations, they may begin to believe that their actions are futile, a state of learned helplessness. This mindset can have devastating consequences, leading to depression. People experiencing learned helplessness often exhibit symptoms of depression, feeling hopeless and unable to change their circumstances. Lack of motivation. When individuals believe their efforts won't make a difference, they stop trying even in situations where they could succeed. Health impacts. Chronic stress and helplessness have been linked to physical health issues, including weakened immune systems and increased risk of illness. Applications and modern relevance. Seligman's work has had a profound impact on psychology and beyond. Here are some key applications. Mental health treatment. Understanding learned helplessness has led to more effective treatments for depression and anxiety, including cognitive behavioral therapy, which focuses on changing thought patterns that perpetuate feelings of helplessness. Education. Teachers and parents can use these insights to encourage resilience in children, fostering a belief that effort and persistence can lead to success. Workplace and leadership. Managers and leaders can create environments that empower individuals, ensuring they feel their contributions matter. Personal growth. Recognizing the signs of learned helplessness in our own lives can help us break free from cycles of negativity and regain control. Ethical reflections. It's important to acknowledge the ethical debates surrounding experiments like this. While they provided groundbreaking insights, the use of animals and the distress caused to them raised questions about the limits of research. Modern ethical standards require stricter oversight to ensure humane treatment of subjects in scientific studies. So how can you break free from the cycle of learned helplessness? The first step is awareness, recognizing that the feelings of hopelessness might not reflect reality. By challenging these thoughts and taking small, actionable steps, you can begin to regain control and rebuild your resilience. If you found this exploration into the Learned Helplessness Experiment enlightening, be sure to give this video a like and share it with someone who might benefit from understanding these powerful psychological insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of helplessness, and how did you overcome it? Thank you for watching, and remember, your actions matter and you have the power to change your circumstances. See you in the next video.